All right, y'all, I want to show you something real quick today on the shaper. This little guy over here that says anchor. When you are importing a file and trying to place it on your workpiece in order to cut, you could have other things that you've already cut out on this particular piece, and so you're trying to find the best placement for whatever file it is that you're trying to cut. And so you're trying to make best use of the space on your piece. And so that anchor point is really helpful, because if you need to get it into a corner or get it really close to an edge, you can do that. And so I'll show you here. If you go into anchor and select anchor, and then you select this bottom left, it now places your file to the right of your anchor point. And that anchor point is based off of where your bit is currently located on the work piece. So right now, if I were to move this around a little bit, the bear moves and it's staying to the right of where my bit is located, because I've got my anchor point at the bottom left corner. And so I'm not sure what the default is, but if you go right to the dead center, now your bear is going to be placed right in the center of wherever that bit is placed. Your bear is going to be right centered on that bit. And so again, depending on where you need to place it, for me, like right now, the best location for me would be right at the edge of this workpiece. So I'm going to put it in the bottom center, and then I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to put it close to that edge, and I'm going to place it right there, because that'll be the best placement for me at this particular time. So I hope that's helpful.